Hey guys, my name is Arun Kumar and I'm back with another video. Today I just bring a new gadget which is a M2 smart band which is this model. आप जानते हैं कि मार्केट के अंदर बहुत सारे स्मार्ट बैंड्स अब अवेलेबल हैं, लेकिन M2 इज़ वन ऑफ द फास्ट मूविंग स्मार्ट बैंड्स आई नोटिस इन अ मार्केट. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना इसे लिया जाए और इसे रिव्यू किया जाए और इसके ऑपरेशंस देखे जाए, हाउ इट्स वर्किंग एंड व्हाई इट्स सेलिंग टू मच इन अ मार्केट. So if you are new on this channel, subscribe the channel and we will just start the video now. So this is the main packaging of the device, which is quite decent. As you guys can see, black and yellow. On the box they didn't mention anything, but these are the main things which this device can support. Like, so we'll just open the box and let's see what comes inside the box. Manual, which is comes in a Chinese and in English both. The application of this one, it's already mentioned in a manual, which is a Lifun Health, which is available on Android store and Apple store both. So we just put it inside. I will show you how to operate this one. First of all, this is a wristband which is a black color, but I saw in the market there is a lots of other colors are also available if you want to buy. This is the main device, which is a M2. Comes with the thumb impression, heart rate sensor, magnetic slots for the charging, and the charging cable. How you will charge this one? You just need to put this device inside here. The magnetic slots will connect the charger, and USB port you can connect with any USB charger and you can charge the device. Maximum charging time it's only 40 minutes, and after that you can use like whole day, or standby timing is a 30 days, which is already mentioned in the manual, which you can read. So we will just turn on the device and we will see how this device works.
Device is on, and now you just need to press the button every time and it will change the features. As you guys can see, this device have a timer, footsteps, calories monitor, blood pressure monitor, heart rate sensor. This is the back side of the device, which is showing the heart rate sensor, and this is the anti-loss device feature. Messages, battery timing, it's already have a 2 bars, so it will work like more than 6 to 7 hours, and once you will press, it will change the features. So if you guys want to use any kind of feature of this device, you just need to select the feature and press for the long time, so the feature will activate it, so you can use the device. Now what I will do, I will just download the application in the smartphone and I will show you how to export the data of this device in a smartphone, and you can see every single thing in the application. Before going to connect this device with the smartphone, I just wear this device for 10 to 15 minutes so it can store my data. So once I will connect this one with the application, I can easily see the results of the device. So right now we are just going to download the application in the smartphone and we will connect this device and we will review the application. So guys, this is the main screen of the application. I just connect the smart band with the application and it transfer all the data, and you can see everything is mentioned on the main screen. Then you will swipe and you will see the pedometer section. After that you will see the sleep monitor, then heart rate sensor, and then blood pressure monitor section. After that you have to go back. On the top side you will see more options. First option is to connect your smart band with the application. You have to search the device and connect the device with the smartphone. Once it's done, you can use all the features of the smart band with the smartphone. After that, with the second feature, you can take the selfie. Once you will shake your device, it will automatically take the selfie from the smartphone. Then third option is the synchronization of the data. So if once the data is stored inside the band, you can sync with the device, and you can see here. Fourth option is the messaging push option. Whatever application you see here, you can receive the notification in the smartphone once you will turn on the selected apps. After that, the next option is brand display settings. So if you want to remove or add some features from the smart band, you can select from here. So once you will turn off the any of the like blood pressure or find my device, you will not see that option in the smart band. After that, there is another option called band function setting. In this you can turn and off some major features of the smart band, like screen up, on, rising. If you turn on that function, once you will shake your hand, the display of the screen will be on. Another option is the smart alarm, which you can use for the reminders in your smart band. After that, the last feature is the search device which is called anti-loss device as well. Once you will press the play button, your smart band will start vibrating. So guys, this was the review of the M2 smart band and the M2 application. So if you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section. The price of this one is only like $15 to $20. Yes, it's only $15 to $20. So if you have any kind of questions, you can ask me in the comment section. The link I will give inside the description, so you can buy from there. Till next time, this is Arun Kumar signing off. Take care.